Hi guys, it's Katie Lendel here, and today I wanted to actually share with you guys my personal story. How I have started out online, how I have started with affiliate marketing, and how I started making money online with affiliate marketing. As long as I can remember, I always thought there must be something else out there than having to go to a job, you know make money just by having a job, just working for someone else. I always knew that there's something better out there than just to kind of just slave your life away. If you do have a job, I have nothing against it. Some people love their jobs, some people are passionate about their jobs, but jobs are not for everyone. It was something that it wasn't for me. Even though I did have an okay job, it wasn't, too bad or anything. I was a dental assistant, but it just wasn't something that I was passionate about. It wasn't for me, especially when I found out that I was gonna have a baby. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna leave my baby to someone else, to take care of her, and have to go back to the job. And I started praying to God. I started praying and asking for God to send me opportunities, to send me something, give me wisdom on how to actually be able to not go to a job, how to actually be able to create income from home. So, and I started looking out for different opportunities, different ways of how you can actually make money or get income by doing something else other than a job. And I was actually introduced to a few business opportunities. Me and my husband, we started doing a few business opportunities here and there. And we, first of all, when we just started, we were failing. We obviously were failing because we didn't know how to do it. We didn't have the skills, the knowledge, and just we're failing in those businesses. And then one day, my sister, my twin sister Ella, she actually gave me a book to read. And in that book, the guy, I forgot his name. I wish I still remembered, the name of the book. But basically, in that book, the author, the guy who wrote the book, he was sharing how he can actually make money with one click of a mouse. So I got interested in it. I'm like, how can you do that? Like, how can you can actually, I realized that you can actually make money online, by how he was explaining it, by sending emails. So it got me really interested in the online world. And by that time, we already tried a couple network marketing opportunities. And I actually had my baby girl, and I went back to work part time. So it didn't happen right away. It took, a couple years, at least a couple years, even more than a couple years for us to, start businesses and fail in them. And then I came across the book, and I just thought to myself, that's it. I want to do whatever that guy is doing that is writing this book or wrote the book. So I started learning about email marketing, and I started learning about affiliate marketing and different things like that. I started, and then like 2.5 months later, I got my first sale on autopilot, and I was just so grateful and so amazed and just um, over the moon. I have no words, how happy I was, how excited I was. And I knew, back then when I got my first sale, I knew that it's possible. If you get your first sale, no matter how small, how big it is, that means it's working. You can actually make money online. Anybody can. Whoever is willing to do what it takes, whoever is gonna stay consistent, stay focused, and play this online game long term. I believe 100% it's possible for anyone to make money. So, obviously I cannot guarantee you're going to make money. I cannot guarantee any results or anything like that because I really don't know if you're going to take action. I don't know if you're going to be focused. I don't know if you're going to be consistent, and I don't know what kind of action steps you're going to take. So I can't really guarantee you're going to make money, but if you do it seriously, if you do it as a business, if you know that it takes hard work and dedication and consistency, I believe 100% you will get there. So, and I started doing, from then on, it was not an easy journey. It was a journey of ups and downs. I had sales sometimes. A lot of times I didn't have sales and I was still working, still being consistent, still doing whatever I needed to do. But I wasn't getting any results. And, and then I would get results, then I would, not get results that I want to get. And it was just a journey of ups and downs, but I was able to get the skill that I need. I was able to get the knowledge that I need. And I'm not saying that I know it all. Obviously, I have a lot to learn, but I did learn a lot and I did gain the skills that I need in order to create a 6-figure income online, which I have by today. So it's definitely a blessing. It's definitely working. It's definitely, anybody can do it. I have 3 kids now. And when I had my second son, I quit my job and I just started doing this full time. And then I had my third son. Can you come over here, Eric? So this is Eric. Eric, say hi. That's my third son. And so if I can do it as a mom with 3 kids, you can do it as well. If you're a mom and dad, or if you're just very busy with your kids, maybe you don't have kids, but you're busy with something else, college or work or anything like that. If you are a parent, you know how busy you can get with kids, especially if you have more than 1 kid or more than 2 kids. You know how busy you can get. So if I can do it, as a mom, Eric is trying to help me with the background. So if I can do it as a mom with 3 little kids, you can do it as well. And I already said, I believe in you 100%. And I just wanted to share my story, this story with you guys really quick, because I might be able to inspire some of you guys, even if it's just one person who I will inspire. It's worth for me to do this video. So I do have a few trainings that I will include, or I included in the description below, that you can go through and actually learn exactly what I did to start out online, to actually start building my list. So when I actually started making money with email marketing, it took me back to the time when I read that book. How a guy was, an author was saying that, and there's Jake, my second son.
Mommy, where is your charger for your
It's downstairs.
phone?
Downstairs.
Okay.
So it took me back to the time when I read that book, how this guy was making money with a simple click of a mouse. And it's true. When you have an email list, you can simply send an email and start seeing the sales roll in. And I have experienced it a lot of times and experiencing it now. So it's definitely working. Email marketing works, affiliate marketing works. The online industry of making money online, it definitely works. So go ahead and check out my trainings below. You can find them below in the description. I believe if you do what it takes, you will get there. Thank you so much, and look out for more of my videos. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and click subscribe and turn on that notification, the bell notification icon. And I look forward to provide a lot more value to you, a lot more trainings, and guide you in this journey to online success. All right, bye-bye. Blessings.